Hey friends, it's Sejal and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, it's a pleasure to have you. Please click on subscribe button. Today let's prepare healthy and tasty Mexican salsa, or also popular as Cowboy Caviar, which is packed with full of nutrition. Take half cup of onion, half cup tomatoes, half cup sweet corn, half cup of red, yellow and green bell pepper each, 1/4 cup of cilantro, half cup black eyed peas, half cup pinto beans and a full cup of black beans. Now to make a dressing, take one medium sized bowl and add juice of 2 medium sized lemons or limes, 1/4 cup of olive oil, and for spices 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon of each of black pepper, chili flakes, oregano and 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Now stir it and mix all together. Then take a big bowl and add all chopped veggies and beans and mix them. This will make a party-sized batch which you can serve to get-togethers or potlucks. Now pour dressing over it and add cilantro and then mix it well. Keep it in refrigerator at least for 2 hours to blend all taste together. It tastes great cold. Then serve it with tortilla chips. You can make it ahead of time and keep it in refrigerator for up to 10 hours. Thank you friends for watching it and have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.